Bioinks are typically synthetic or natural biocompatible materials that supports the adhesion, proliferation, differentiation of cell in cell. And these are sensitive, so they have to be treated very carefully and extruded below a human body temperature under mild conditions to preserve the cell viability. We have been providing PEG acrylates, PEG diacrylates, PEG triacrylates, and polycaprolactone diacrylates, triacrylates, fluoronic acrylates, 3D bioprinting stuff. At the present, these are the varieties of bioinks we are providing for 3D printing companies. So PEG-based, fluoronic-based, water-soluble, PLGA-based PEG acrylates. All these polymers are water-soluble. So these are amphiphilic polymers having hydrophilic and hydrophobic blocks of the polymers. PEG provides the hydrophilicity and PCl provides the hydrophobicity. Also provides the strength and elasticity to the PEG. So in this molecule, you can change the PEG molecular weight from 1,000 to 20,000 molecular weight. And you can have a PCl blocks anywhere from 10% to 30% water-soluble acrylate polymer. This is amazing, having all these properties in one molecule. Hydrophilicity of the PEG with the different molecular weights and hydrophobicity of PCl with different molecular weight while solubilizing in water. It's very unique properties. And we're making not only PEG PCl, we're taking all the key ingredients of absorbable polymers because these are polymers, absorbable polymers, the one gives the strength, elasticity, control, absorption, everything you need for a bioink. So we make PLA, which is going to be a higher, stiffer molecule, but slower absorption. DL-lactide, which is a stiffer, amorphous, but faster absorption. PDS polymer is a monofilament elastic polymer, which gives the strength, elasticity to the bioink. And we introduced also TMC. TMC is a very elastomeric rubbery polymer, and it has a very good adhesive properties. So for cell adhesion, it could be very useful. So by combining these polymers, by blending them, or even blending them for natural polymers like Gelma, you can get all the properties required for a bioink. We have over 100 polymers of different molecular weights and different hydrolyzable links, PCl, PLS. We can provide this. We'll work with anybody who's interested in these bioinks.